Our Unity Assembly is the best assembly of the year. It's the foundation of school spirit. It's what brings us together and makes it feel like a community that everyone wants to be a part of and they want to be at the school and be a part of it. And this assembly is a great demonstration.
I like to be unified so much. I think my team is a perfect team to play press ball this year. For basketball, I do shoot hoops.
What you're learning today is what friendship and kindness and inclusion means.
It was a great honor to have the First Lady come and speak to our students.
They got designated as a champion banner school through the Special Olympics International.
It demonstrates our school's commitment to unity and to supporting all of the students at Davis High School.
And there's even more criteria to become on the ESPN Honor Roll, which they also achieved.
Sport has an amazing ability to bring kids together and to get rid of the differences and bring them together, which is the point of Unified. That's, at the heart of the night.